In modern homes, the intersection of aesthetic appeal and functional integrity is increasingly evident in the design of wooden wall personal organizers. These versatile pieces not only serve practical purposes, but also enhance the visual landscape of living spaces. As homeowners strive to create environments that reflect their personal style while maintaining order and efficiency, wooden organizers emerge as ideal solutions, combining beauty with utility. Hello there, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of wooden wall personal organizers design ideas for modern homes. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. The aesthetic appeal of wooden wall personal organizers is rooted in the natural elegance of wood itself. Each piece of wood carries its own unique grain patterns, textures, and colors, which add warmth and character to any room. Whether crafted from rich mahogany, light oak, or reclaimed barnwood, these organizers can seamlessly blend into various interior design styles, from rustic to contemporary. The organic quality of wood creates an inviting atmosphere, contributing to a sense of comfort and tranquility that is often sought in home environments. One of the most significant advantages of wooden organizers is their ability to serve as decorative elements while fulfilling essential storage needs. Unlike plastic or metal organizers, which can appear cold and utilitarian, wooden designs provide a touch of sophistication. They can be customized with a range of finishes and stains, allowing homeowners to choose options that complement their existing decor. This versatility means that a wooden wall organizer can become a focal point in a room, enhancing the overall aesthetic while providing a functional solution for clutter management. Functional integrity is equally important in the design of wooden wall personal organizers. These pieces are often designed with a keen understanding of how people interact with their spaces. Effective organizers incorporate various compartments, hooks, and shelves to accommodate a range of items, from keys and mail to notes and office supplies. By thoughtfully considering the needs of users, designers can create organizers that not only look good but also contribute to a more efficient and organized lifestyle. Moreover, the placement of wooden wall organizers in the home can significantly impact the flow of daily activities. By situating these organizers in high-traffic areas such as entryways, home offices, or kitchens, homeowners can create functional zones that streamline routines. A well-designed wooden organizer can transform a chaotic space into one that promotes productivity and clarity. For instance, a wall-mounted organizer with designated spots for everyday essentials ensures that items are easily accessible, reducing the likelihood of misplaced keys or important documents. The durability of wood is another key factor that enhances the functional integrity of these organizers. High-quality wooden organizers are built to withstand the rigors of daily use, providing a reliable solution for storage needs. Unlike flimsy plastic options that may warp or break over time, well-crafted wooden organizers can last for years, maintaining their functionality and aesthetic appeal. This longevity makes them a worthwhile investment for homeowners who prioritize both style and practicality. Dear viewers, are you enjoying today's content? We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you'll be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. In addition to their primary functions, wooden wall organizers can also promote a sense of mindfulness and intentionality within the home. By providing designated spaces for various items, they encourage users to be more conscious of their belongings. This organization fosters a more serene environment, allowing individuals to focus on the tasks at hand without the distraction of clutter. The visual clarity that comes from using a wooden organizer can contribute to an overall sense of well-being, making it easier to navigate daily responsibilities. The craftsmanship involved in creating wooden wall organizers further enhances their appeal. Artisans often employ traditional woodworking techniques, ensuring that each piece is not only functional but also a work of art in its own right. The attention to detail, from the precision of joinery to the choice of finishes, reflects a commitment to quality that resonates with consumers. This artistry not only elevates the product but also creates a connection between the maker and the user, as homeowners appreciate the skill and effort that goes into crafting a beautiful piece. Sustainability is an increasingly important consideration in modern design, and wooden wall organizers often align with eco-friendly practices. Many artisans prioritize using sustainably sourced wood, which not only reduces environmental impact but also adds to the narrative of the piece. Homeowners who choose these organizers can feel good about their purchase, knowing that they are supporting responsible forestry practices. This connection to sustainability adds an additional layer of value, as consumers seek products that reflect their values and commitment to the environment. Furthermore, the trend toward minimalism in contemporary design has sparked a renewed interest in multifunctional furniture. Wooden wall organizers can embody this philosophy by providing multiple uses in a single piece. For instance, a wall organizer with a chalkboard surface not only serves as a place to hang keys and mail, but also offers a space for reminders, to-do lists, or family messages. This multifunctionality aligns with a desire for simplicity and efficiency in modern living, allowing homeowners to maximize their space without sacrificing style. The emotional connection that wooden wall organizers foster cannot be overlooked. As individuals curate their living spaces to reflect their personalities, these organizers become more than mere functional items. They transform into expressions of identity and lifestyle. The act of organizing one's space with thoughtfully designed wooden pieces can evoke feelings of pride and satisfaction, contributing to a sense of ownership and belonging. This emotional resonance transforms the act of organization into an enriching experience, enhancing the overall quality of life within the home. In the aesthetic appeal and functional integrity of wooden wall personal organizers make them an essential component of modern home design. The natural beauty of wood, combined with thoughtful craftsmanship and sustainable practices, creates pieces that enhance the visual landscape while providing practical solutions for everyday living. As homeowners seek to create spaces that reflect their values and lifestyles, wooden organizers offer the perfect blend of form and function. They facilitate organization, promote mindfulness, and foster emotional connections, ultimately enriching the living experience. In a world where chaos often reigns, these elegant and durable solutions provide a pathway to serenity and order, making them invaluable assets in contemporary homes. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked wooden wall personal organizers design ideas for modern homes. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you'll be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.